Hi, it's Stephanie from Stefaniasilkarts. I like to say hello and show you the place where I now offer workshops for silk painting with Serti Technique, with Shibori, with eco prints as a general overview. And I'm standing as we speak in my room. Here you can, let's do it this way, this is a good idea. Here you can see a little bit of the environment. There is my beautiful Goethe color wheel. You can see my quetzal from Costa Rica. You see a little bit of the balcony. I will give you a tour. So a little bit of the interior. Let me turn around. There we can sit and relax next to a beautiful painting from Daniel Jean-Baptiste. And here we go. So there is space for 3 people maximum. We can set up some tables here. We can just place the silk. Space is there. So I welcome you. There is coffee break. And just show you my balcony for a little bit of atmosphere. Let me see. It's quite nice. My roses. You see the sky. The mirror image. So welcome to my home. Let's go inside again. Yeah, it's in Schwerin, northern Germany, and would be lovely to see you here. If you wish to have a workshop in silk art, usually on Sundays, usually 4 hours, but everything is individual, and let's talk. So see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.